Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a nice 6-drawer dresser and a nightstand that we're going to redo. So follow along as we make a transformation happen. Alright, step one is going to be removing all the hardware, pulling the drawers, seeing what we got, what we're working with our frame, see if anything's loose so we can tighten it up, glue it up, whatever we have to do. Same way with the nightstand. It's been beaten up pretty bad. You can see all the chip marks, things like that, so we're going to sand all that out, put some paint on it, and then well, we'll get this piece back together and see what we can do with it. So follow along, here we go. Alright, so we've gone through the piece. We're going to give it a good sand, wipe it out, vacuum, do all that good stuff. Last night I put some wood putty in here to kind of fill in some of the bigger holes, let it dry, so when we do sand it here, it was already dry and ready to go. So we're just going to run through this whole entire piece and nightstand and try to make it as best as we can. So here we go. Okay, we are ready to start painting. Got my Dixie Belle blue here, and then our Klingon brush, light blue. We'll put it on, see how it looks. Should be a pretty fabulous color for this. So we are going to paint in full-length strokes all the way down and back, create our top, work our way down, do the nightstand, and then we'll start on all these drawers. So let's begin. Okay, so we've got our nice clear our paint job done. Now what we're going to do is put a little clear wax on it, flat. Do the whole piece, and then we can start putting some hardware on it and get this under the tree. Alright, here it is, completed, a light blue 6-drawer with the nightstand, dresser, nightstand setup. I think it turned out really well. What do you guys think? Subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll keep doing some cool projects like this.